Yo, what's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. So this is kind of a traumatic image, maybe for you, but in this video, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the current state of the crypto market and what I think is next. So that's not financial advice in any type of way. That's just my opinion based on based pretty much on a little bit of technical analysis, a little bit of fundamental analysis, and also looking back at the crash at the end of 2017, beginning of 2018. Because basically in this video I'll be doing a quick study with you whether I think this is the same and this is the end of the bull market. In my opinion, it is not. There are a lot of fundamental bad things going on. Also did a post in the community about it. There's just a lot of corona shit going on again. Together with some other macroeconomic things such as the interest rates probably going up with this huge inflation a lot of countries have because of, again, the corona crisis. Just a lot of quantitative easing, money being pumped into the markets. And what that basically causes is your buying power to decrease. That's the Dutch word. I don't really know how to translate it, but basically that the worth of your money is going down because there's inflation and the prices will probably follow, and the wages might follow. I hope they don't, because that would send us into some kind of inflation spiral. But that's a little bit too economic for this. And the inflation, if the inflation goes up, the interest rates go up as well, again for economic reasons. So that's happening. Then it's also December. People are cashing out some of their profits to maybe buy some nice presents. So yeah, a lot of things going on. And I wanted to kind of analyze it by analyzing wait, I can do that better like this. By analyzing Bitcoin on the highest time frame, I think, because as you can see, Bitcoin is kind of the leading indicator for the whole market. If Bitcoin drops, everything drops. It's kind of like if some of the biggest stocks fall, or if some big ETFs fall, the whole stock market falls. The same goes for crypto. The whole crypto market kind of moves alike sometimes in fundamental moves. It doesn't always, of course, but in such bearish fundamental things it does. And you could even argue that that the crypto market moves alike with the stock market too. I think the stock market is down too. So let's just get into the technical analysis now. So for that I'll be looking at Bitcoin against USDT on Coinbase. That's fine. And we're just going to be comparing it a little bit with 2017. And for us to do that, I'm going to switch to the weekly time frame. Yeah, I did some analysis on it already, removed those drawings. So as you can see here, we're down from an all-time high, we're down 38%. As you can see, we're only at a 50 EMA. And what you tend to see is that the last support is usually at the 200 EMA. So right off the bat, I don't think that this will really uphold. I mean, even if we're going to look at, and if you don't agree with these indicators, that's fine, but they do tell us some things. I mean, here you can see with the 200 EMA, that's been perfect support. And if we look at the 100 EMA, that has been a good support, or at least the area around it, good support for a long time as well. So technical analysis, first off, there's a big key level where we're at right now. So let me draw that for you. As you can see right here, there's a big key level right here. And it hasn't even really touched that. It has a little bit. It has gone near it. And below that even is still a trend line. As I said, it hasn't even reached the 100 EMA and the 200 EMA yet. So yeah, if we're looking at technical analysis, this still looks bullish. I mean, we might now see something like this. That is some sort of head and shoulders pattern is going to form. That doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to break the neckline, which would probably be somewhere like here. That doesn't necessarily mean that. I don't think that's likely. You can see here we're still scoring higher highs. We're still scoring higher lows. So technically seen, this is not bearish. I mean, over the long run, and we've even, I mean, right now we're at $46,000, guys. I mean, a year ago you wouldn't have thought that that was possible. A year ago it was at, well, let's see, was at around $17,000. It hadn't even reached the all-time high. Now we're at $46,000, and I think a lot of people are worrying. Of course, not without reason. A lot of people's portfolios are down, but still. So if we're looking at the bull run right here, 2017 and 2021, you can already see that it's not the same, because we dropped down here and we did something like here. Because if you check this bull run right here, you can see that we've retraced to the 61.8 VIP, I think. So like this, and we had some fake bullishness, people, basically institutions in my opinion, trying to get out, and then it retested all the way down and fell to a drop of almost $3,000 at the lowest. What happened here is, as you can see, completely the same. The price went down, the same bullish trap happened, institutional investors going out, and it dropped down all the way to 29,000. So you could argue that this is actually the drop that happened right here, but as you can see, price got up even higher now. So if something like that happens right now, it's at least going to retrace to 58,000, and we should really take a look at what the price does from there. If it does the same as from here, it might be smart to take some partial profits if it drops down to 0.5, because obviously you're not, this move from the 618 is going to be very fast. You're not going to be able to set your limits for all your other cryptos or your altcoins at the same, because this is Bitcoin. I'm not necessarily sure what other altcoins will do. It just depends on when Bitcoin hits the 618, and you're not going to be able to sell everything right at that point, because frankly you don't know when that will happen. So it might be good to take some partial profits, but the main point I'm trying to sell you right now, and I'm trying to tell you, is that the market is completely different. I mean, here we stayed in a very long consolidation and kind of bearish market, and here we're up again after a few months. So it's very difficult to predict what is going to happen. In my opinion, this is some sort of extended bull cycle, and I actually think that until at least like April or May, we're still going to see a bullish market. I mean, obviously it's good to look at this 618 level, as I've told you. If it doesn't drop down anymore like this would be the relevant VIP. That's good to take an eye to look out for, but still I don't think it's done. If you look at the technical analysis, it's still bullish. If you look at this already happened back in May, and now it's already up again, so the whole market is different. The interest for Bitcoin is getting higher each time. A lot of good projects are coming up, like the Crypto.com University, so adoption is getting better. Projects are getting better. Ethereum 2.0 is coming up, so the whole crypto market to me seems bullish. I might be a little bit biased, you should know that, but that's my opinion, and I don't think there is a lot of need to worry right now. I already bought, let's see, yeah, so that 1 inch dropped the most, and I think this is a good project, so I bought some of this, yeah, right here at 2.43. So I actually think this might be a good opportunity to buy. But having said that, the market is different, and I might be a little bit biased, and the crypto market is unpredictable and volatile. So this is not financial advice. Please make a decision for your own, and please do your research as well, because it is very volatile, and I wouldn't want you to buy any crypto because because I am bullish. You know, do your own research, please. And yeah, this is basically my view on the whole crypto market for the upcoming, as I said, months. And if you have any questions about that regarding this whole analysis, a little bit of fundamental and technical, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. I tried to keep this video short, but I don't think it is, so sorry for that. But yeah, hope you at least learned a little bit of it. So thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.